The motor and pinion is your cordless drill's motor assembly. It consists of a powerful motor, a pinion gear already pressed onto the shaft, and a plastic transmission mounting bracket. The motor may wear out after years of use. It can wear out much faster if the drill is overloaded. A damaged motor will often smoke and have excessive sparks coming from it. Replacing the motor and pinion is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side housing from the drill. Now lift the motor, transmission and clutch assembly, and the switch out of the housing. I'll remove the wires from the motor where they attach to the switch. Now I can give the motor a slight counterclockwise twist and it'll come free from the transmission. Now I can install the new motor. First I'll align the pinion gear with the transmission. Once it's aligned, I align the mounting bracket and then lock it into the transmission with a clockwise twist. And this assembly is ready to go back into the drill. I'll align the motor and transmission with the housing. As I do this, I'll work the motor wires into the openings on the housing. Then I'll align the switch with the housing. Make sure that you connect the reverse selector to the post on the trigger. And now I can install the other half of the handle housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new motor and pinion in your drill.